Where do we go when we've already been everywhere? When traveling isn't about the next destination, but about a new path. A path towards a sustainable future. Where we go to feel revived, to find clarity, to connect with nature. What if the way we travel could get us closer to nature? What if the calming power of crystal clear waters could move us forward? What if the morning sun could take us up mountains? In a place where the fresh air could give us energy, where city and nature could coexist in harmony. Welcome to Switzerland. Once you see it, you know why it is worth protecting.